and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We had some troubles lately with soldering coming loose in the field. Yeah, then you're in trouble. So you got to go back home, and then you have to solder all the shit and everything. So at first we took the Dremel. I have a Dremel from this with gas, you know, like this. But when the gas is on, when your bottle is empty, you can't solder anymore. So what did I do? I bought something else. I bought something that works on batteries. It's something like this. Ta-da! We're gonna see if this is any good. I don't know if it's any good, but I bought it from Banggood. It's about 27 euros chipped, I think. So we'll see how it works. Let's open it up. I already opened it up. Okay. That's not good. Stay here. Stickers, always welcome. Manual. We're not gonna read that. You have a tip that goes in here. You take 1.5 millimeters or the one that's provided, and you tighten it. There are 2 screws in the packaging. Are more screws, and there's another tip. So you have 2 things. This works on the Lipos. You can work it on until 6S. So it comes provided with a USB-C. I think it's that C. You can plug it in there. Then you have this connector. You plug it in there. That's that. Then you have to provide your own connector, or maybe you have XT60s, because that's a XT60. I have every battery I have is an XT90, so I had to make this. Put it in there. Now a battery. Got one. So you can put it in there. This is a 4-cell. It's digital. It's nice. You can put $400, and now it's running up. Look, it goes pretty fast. It's getting hot. Of course, if the Lipo isn't completely charged, it's going to take a little more. It's already 210 to 220 degrees, so it goes till 400 degrees. It heats up pretty fast. 400. Comes with a little stand. It's not that much, but it keeps it from the ground off. You take some tin, and then, damn it, that melts real quick. So that's kind of nice when you're in the field and you only have a Lipo. You don't need the gas anymore, just need a Lipo. So that's it. Now I'm going to find something to solder.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's an old XT90 connector and a little piece of wire. It's already soldered here, but we're going to put these together. see if it works and how fast it goes. That was not good. Pretty fast. In my opinion, that's a good one. 400 degrees still. Works pretty good, so nice. It's a D60. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's from Banggood. I'm gonna cut it, put it off. Remember, it still stays hot for a few minutes. Yeah, it's on there pretty good, pretty strong, good soldering. So it's from SEQURE, if I pronounce it right. I don't know. It's pretty cheap, so it's damn good for the field. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, share. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Okay, bye.